This is a pivot table where from I will select the data ranges with format, but not the complete pivot table. Copy the data and paste into a new inserted sheet by VBA. I have tried to select the data from left. Let's try. Select the cell as it contains some merged cell. It has been selected. A ranges of cells. I will go to select towards right. Try first. Not selected the data completely in data ranges due to the intermediate merge cell present here. Try to select towards right again. Not selected completely. It selected some part of the ranges of data but not completely. Again go towards right. All column has been selected but not the all required data ranges. Now I will try to go towards downwards to select the data completely. It has been selected complete. If I try to select again towards right, it selected the complete column with the row 341. If I go towards downward again, it will select the complete sheet. I will follow another process to select the data. Go to upper row. I will select leftmost upper corner data and then go towards continuous downward and leftward. Then the last 4 columns are from value field of the pivot table. That's why these 4 columns are continuous in data ranges. So I will select this corner data and try to select towards downward, complete downward selection of the required range. Then try to select towards leftward. Is it possible through a single step? Not. Part of the data has been selected. Then again try the same process. Then more data selected but not complete data selected. Again try the same. Complete data has been selected. If we try this again towards selecting left, the selection remains same but the complete required range is selected. I will do this through VBA code. I have written this VBA code before with a breakpoint. I will run this VBA step by step F8 with the breakpoint. F8, check. It was previously selected. Remove selection. F8. Let's check selection. Selected cell is XFD2, mean second row and the last column. VBA code. The highlighted code go towards left in the valid data range. F8. The corner cell has been selected. Then go towards downward. It is continuous range. F8. Downward. Again F8. Continuous data not selected. I will use this code multiple times. Let stop the run of the code. I will use this code line multiple times. Selection removed, and again run the code at once. Upper part of the breakpoint. Check. Check the selection by VBA. Complete data range of required has been selected. Okay. Then run the rest part, which is adding a sheet, naming the sheet with sheet in, select the range of the newly inserted sheet A2 and paste the copied range with this code active sheet dot paste. With the selection, format the selection wrap text false, and then select column dot autofit with the column width. Okay, I have put this code twice, so I will remove this line. Okay, and take headers from another formatted sheet called header1 here, header1, and copy this copy this header row and paste the newly inserted sheet in. Let's run the rest part of the code and check. It's by false. Again run this code and after deleting the sheet. Okay, first part of the VBA code executed. Check. Selection is ready. Then rest part of the code. Let's run and check. Sheet name in with the data, with the format of pivot table, without the pivot table cache memory. Select any of the cell within the range. Pivot table analyze or design tab is not appearing, it means it is not a pivot table. And go to sheet 2. If I select a cell within the data range, I will see the tab pivot table analyze and design tab. Check. This is the pivot table named pivot ABC, and sheet n, it is not a pivot table, it is a data with the format of pivot table, but this is not a pivot table. I will give this code in the link and the file also.